Subscribe my channel. Time to cook. Butter 4 spoon. Green cardamom 3, raisin to spoon. Charmugas to spoon. Melon seeds. Fry 2 minutes. Now add boiled spaghetti to cup. Fry 5 minutes. Add milk 1 liter. Mix it well. Sugar 1 cup or to taste. Dry dates 1 cup. Almonds powder ½ cup. Coconut powder ½ cup. Mix it well. Bring it to boil. Cover and cook on low flame until milk is reduced. Ready to serve. Garnish. Coconut powder. Dates. Zaffiron. Time to taste. Thanks for watching.